Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step.
What is your school like?
It is friendly and large.
Where is it located?
It is near my home.
How long have you studied?
I have studied there years.
Did you like it before?
Yes, I liked it always.
What are classrooms like?
They are bright and clean.
Who teaches you English?
My teacher is very kind.
Have you finished homework?
I have finished it already.
Were you late yesterday?
No, I was early.
What subjects do you enjoy?
I enjoy science and math.
Are you studying now?
Yes, I am studying hard.
Will you join club?
I will join music club.
Have you been absent?
I have never been absent.
What were you doing earlier?
I was reading library books.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
Had you visited lab before?
I had visited it once.
Are exams coming soon?
Yes, they are coming soon.
Will you study tonight?
I will study carefully.
Did teachers help you?
They helped me greatly.
Have you made friends?
I have made many friends.
What will you become?
I will become engineer.
Are students practicing today?
They are practicing dance.
Did you clean classroom?
Yes, I cleaned it.
Have you eaten lunch?
I have eaten already.
Were you studying earlier?
I was studying history.
Do you like principal?
Yes, I like him.
Will school organize trip?
It will organize trip soon.
Had you completed project?
I had completed it yesterday.
Are you feeling nervous?
I am feeling confident.
Did you win competition?
Yes, I won prize.
Have teachers praised you?
They have praised me.
What were friends doing?
They were playing outside.
Do you wake early?
I wake up early.
Will you change schools?
I will not change schools.
Have you been library?
I have been there often.
Were classes difficult before?
They were difficult sometimes.
Do you wear uniform?
Yes, I wear uniform.
Will exams be hard?
They will be challenging.
Had you studied grammar?
I had studied it earlier.
Are teachers explaining now?
They are explaining lesson.
Did you join club?
Yes, I joined art club.
Have you improved English?
I have improved greatly.
What will happen tomorrow?
There will be assembly.
Were you practicing yesterday?
I was practicing speech.
Do you respect teachers?
Yes, I respect them.
Will you attend meeting?
I will attend meeting.
Have you learned discipline?
I have learned discipline.
Did school inspire you?
It inspired me greatly.
Are students preparing now?
They are preparing exams.
Had you seen auditorium?
I had seen it before.
Do you feel proud?
I feel very proud.
Will you remember school?
I will remember forever.
Have you enjoyed journey?
I have enjoyed everything.
Were you nervous first day?
I was very nervous.
Do you recommend school?
Yes, I recommend it.
Will you visit later?
I will visit teachers.
Have you thanked teachers?
I have thanked them.
Did you finish assignment?
Yes, I finished it.
Are you graduating soon?
Yes, I am graduating.
Will you miss friends?
I will miss them.
Have you grown confident?
I have grown confident.
Were teachers supportive always?
They were supportive always.
Do you love school?
Yes, I love school.
Why do you love it?
Because it feels welcoming.
When did you join school?
I joined 5 years ago.
How do teachers support you?
They guide me patiently.
What makes school special?
Its teachers make it special.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I study daily.
Are you improving daily?
Yes, I am improving.
Did you attend assembly?
Yes, I attended assembly.
Have you met new students?
Yes, I have met them.
Were you excited today?
Yes, I was excited.
Will you participate tomorrow?
Yes, I will participate.
Had you prepared speech?
Yes, I had prepared.
Do you like homework?
Sometimes, I like homework.
Are friends helping you?
Yes, they are helping.
Did you borrow books?
Yes, I borrowed books.
Were students cheering loudly?
Yes, they were cheering.
Will you take exam?
Yes, I will take it.
Had you practiced before?
Yes, I had practiced.
Are classes interesting now?
Yes, they are interesting.
Did teacher explain clearly?
Yes, teacher explained clearly.
Have you asked questions?
Yes, I have asked.
Were you listening carefully?
Yes, I was listening.
Will you submit project?
Yes, I will submit.
Had you revised lessons?
Yes, I had revised.
Do you travel by bus?
Yes, I travel bus.
Are you wearing uniform?
Yes, I am wearing it.
Did friends call you?
Yes, they called me.
Have you joined competition?
Yes, I have joined.
Were you running fast?
Yes, I was running.
Will you win prize?
I hope I will win.
Had you forgotten homework?
No, I had not forgotten.
Do you attend regularly?
Yes, I attend regularly.
Are exams approaching quickly?
Yes, they are approaching.
Did principal announce results?
Yes, he announced results.
Have you checked notice board?
Yes, I have checked.
Were teachers smiling today?
Yes, they were smiling.
Will you celebrate success?
Yes, I will celebrate.
Had you completed revision?
Yes, I had completed.
Do you like school events?
Yes, I like them.
Are students working together?
Yes, they are working.
Did you answer correctly?
Yes, I answered correctly.
Have you learned teamwork?
Yes, I have learned.
Were you feeling confident?
Yes, I was confident.
Will you thank teachers?
Yes, I will thank them.
Had you planned future?
Yes, I had planned.
Do you miss holidays?
Yes, I miss holidays.
Are you proud student?
Yes, I am proud.